Hello guys, it is Nunu and I am here to prepare you for week 7 of the semester. Can you believe we're here already? Almost at the halfway mark. Okay, what do we have to do this week? We have our creative response video peer evaluations and a quiz, and we need to prepare for discussion 4. So let's look at modules, what it is you need to do. We can find modules here in this handy link I put in number 2 for you, or you can find modules in the left menu. Let's go ahead and click on this handy link. And let's scroll down to week 7 to find out what is due. Here's week 7, October 8th through the 12th. So you have the class project, the creative response video. You need to evaluate 2 peers videos by October 12th. You should have posted your video already. You also have a pronoun agreement quiz to take, and it has a due date of October 12th, but you know that once you complete that quiz, you can take the quizzes as many times as you like until you earn the highest grade possible. Now, what else do you need to do here in week 7? Well, you need to look ahead and go to week 8. Discussion 4, you need to be ready to discuss these literary works with me the week of October 15th through the 19th. So at the 15th, you should have read these works and be ready to discuss them. Let's find out what they are for this week. Okay, what do we have? Okay, well, first, here's an important note to you. All of our literary works for discussion 4 are free in Pages. So in the left menu, you would just click on Pages and then click on View All Pages to find them. So let's find Pages. Where is Pages? Here it is right over here. They're all here in Pages. So you would click on Pages and then View All Pages. And what are our directions for this discussion? Okay, so we have post answers to the questions by 11 p.m. on Friday, October 9th, and post responses to 2 peers' works by 11:59 on Friday, October 16th. Now, this doesn't mean that you start working on the 19th. You need to begin working next week on Monday, and we need to really discuss these questions. The questions are here, questions 1, 2, and 3. These are the directions. We need to discuss them together, and your answers to these questions should total a minimum of 750 words, 3 pages, when I add them all up. So we'll need to get busy next week, and you need to prepare for next week now. So you have the Grimm Brothers fairy tale, Little Snow White, to read. It's in Pages. This is the first thing we need to read. You also have Charles Bukowski's short story, and it's The Most Beautiful Girl in Town. You've got to read this and be ready to discuss it. And you have Tobias Wolff's short story, Beautiful Girl, which you need to read. Okay, so this is what we need to do to be ready to begin discussion 4 next week. And we've got to read also She Walks in Beauty Like the Night, the poem by Byron, because I'll be introducing questions about it. Little Snow White, The Most Beautiful Girl in Town, and Beautiful Girl, and they're all here in Pages. Let me click on Pages to find them. So I'd click on Pages and then View All Pages, and I would scroll down and I would start to find them. Here's She Walks in Beauty Like the Night. Here's Little Snow White. Here's The Most Beautiful Girl in Town. And here's Beautiful Girl by Tobias Wolff. So all you need to do is click on these links to find these stories. Let me click on one of the links to show you. So, here I have Tobias Wolff's short story, Beautiful Girl, and it's here. Okay, let me go ahead and return us to home. I'll go up here and scroll up, click on home, and I'll go back to what we need to do for week 7, and we see we need the creative response video peer evaluations, the quiz, and we need to prepare for discussion 4. All right, have a wonderful week. If you have any questions or concerns, remember that I'm here in inbox. You just need to message me. I'll see your message and I'll respond. Or you can visit me during office hours, which are in General Classroom Building, On the second floor, office 210D, and I'll say D as in divine. How's that? Okay, my office hours are also listed in the syllabus. All right, I'm going to scroll back up to the top here and end this audio and wish you a beautiful week in week 7. Take care.